Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today is going to be a short one, quick one. I'm going to show you how you do not need super long hair to achieve a nice full bun. So today we're going to be using two different sizes. We're going to be using this one, this bobby pin that size, and then the regular small one, like that. They all come, you know, in something like this. You can get them anywhere. You will also need a scrunchie that looks like that. As you can see, this is the length of my hair. And what I do is I just pull it up high to the heavens, as you will pretend that you don't see all my gray hair. It's way overdue. See all that gray hair? I was supposed to get it done. And if it looks like, you know, clumpy here, you use your fingers and kind of just, you know, comb it through. And then once it's in the middle, then you then go in and you use your scrunchie and make it nice and tight. And you do that and it gets tighter. So now that you have this is what you have to work with. Normally when you have long hair, you can just loop it around a couple times, but since we don't have that, basically we just have one twist to work with. And the rest, what we do is just kind of tuck it under. And as you're holding it tight, then you take the bigger bobby pins and you start going all around, placing them in, securing it. And because these are black, you're not going to be able to see them, so you can put as many as you need to. Or even if your hair is light, you really won't. It doesn't matter, you won't be able to see it. But I do think they make them in brown as well. So I'm just going around the whole bun. And as you start to place more and more, you start to feel that it's secure. See? I didn't even have to apply that many. So now that it feels nice and secure, I take the smaller one and I just like to place one on each side just to kind of make that more sleek. See how that kind of just brings it up? I just feel like it gives it a more put together clean look. And there it is. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. If you're like me and you don't have like natural baby hairs, what I do is you can just take any leave-in conditioner. What I have here is this from Rakuten, is shea butter, a cream pomade, is that how you pronounce it? And I just take some and I just go like this and I boop 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 and create baby hairs. If you don't have them, don't worry. Just make them like I do. And you see? Now it gives it like that. It adds something to it. And there you have it, folks. It's that simple. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this somewhat helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you will consider subscribing. I post every single week videos ranging from skincare to makeup to hair. So yeah, I hope you decide to join the family. Have a beautiful day. Thank you again for stopping by, and hope to see you on the next one. Bye.